everybody, so today I'm going to be doing another day in a life in quarantine self-isolation vlog or whatever. Today I actually have like school. I have like 2 Zoom meetings for 2 of my classes, and so I guess I'll just show you guys in that when I like do that. I need to actually clean my desk because it's so messy, and I hate a messy desk because I just like cannot focus at all. Also, I'm getting kind of sick. I woke up and I had like a really, I was about to say stuffy nose, and I just don't feel good. But yeah, it is around 10:24, and I think I'm gonna make breakfast before I start this class because I started at 11. I kind of honestly just want like a cream cheese bagel, but I don't know yet. I really do need to like clean this up though. So my hair's in a little bun, but yeah, I think I'm going to clean my little environment and then make some what's it called, some breakfast. And then I think before my second class, I think I'm gonna run to Starbucks and get coffee, just because I'm like, not even that I need coffee, it's genuinely because I like crave it. My face is looking so puffy. So I just made breakfast and I am going to do my quiz right now for my photography class. My class is 11 to 12:15, so I have like an hour or so to do this quiz. And for my breakfast, I just cut up one whole apple. It's the Fiji apples, and then I put a bunch of cinnamon, and then I used to put almond or peanut butter on it, but recently I've been putting almond butter and I literally love it. I love almond butter. It doesn't matter what almond butter, but I've been using the Good and Gather creamy almond butter. Literally it's amazing. I love it. I got it from Target, and yeah, you can use peanut butter or whatever. And I'm so sorry about my nails, they're really bad. But yeah, and then I always drink it with a thing of water. I refill one of these Hydro flasks like literally several times a day, and it's so good for you. So I'm gonna do my quiz, eat my breakfast, and then probably I do have like a little gap in between this class and my next class, and so I think I'm gonna either make lunch or do something else, because these apple things, slices or whatever, they do not fill me up at all. Like, say hi to my vlog. This is Rudy. He was in my last vlog. But anyways, I just got done with my quiz. It took me longer than I thought, but Rudy, stop! I'm gonna freaking upload this. And then so right now I'm gonna plan out my week on my planner because I need to stay on top of everything, basically. It is almost 1 and my class starts at 1 o'clock. My comm class. So I think he's just gonna go over like what we're gonna be doing like for our next speech, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I just ordered Chipotle because it was free delivery. So I just got Chipotle for lunch, which isn't the healthiest option, I know, but I was really craving Chipotle, so I just got it. And I'm gonna take these out because I don't really need them. By the way, that's my roosters. I have, whoa, some roosters in my backyard because my dad, just because, I don't know, like this quarantine or whatever, I don't know, it's kind of hard adapting. I mean, I've already adapted, I feel like, just because we've been doing this for what, like 4 or 5 weeks now, like a month. So I feel like I know how to adjust, or I've adjusted to this quarantine lifestyle, I guess. But I don't know, I just kind of want to go back to normal because, you know, I want to go places, I want to do things, but it's pretty hard. Not pretty hard, but it is hard because of everything. So yeah, I just need to email the teacher, and yeah. So after this, I'm gonna probably go on my walk that I always do every day. I'm trying to go on like a daily walk because it's really good for your body. Also, what I wanted to mention was today is actually like not that great outside. The past few days it's literally been like mid 70s, and I've been like literally outside tanning, and literally I love it. But today's only like the high 50s, so I'm kind of sad about that. But hopefully in the next few days it is a lot hotter, so I can tan and like, I don't know. Regardless of that, I'm still going on my walk and listening to my daily podcast.
Make sure that this is true. All right, that's what. So if our claim is smoking is bad, are there any words that we want to clarify to make sure that whoever we are arguing with or to knows exactly what we mean? If I say smoking is bad, is there anything there I want to clarify?
That smoking is bad?
That's the whole sentence though, right? Like, are there any words in the sentence that I want to be clear on?
Bad, maybe harmful, or
bad, right? What do I...
Okay, so I'm kind of in a rush right now because I am gonna get ready. Nothing special is going on, but I'm just gonna go to the grocery store with my mom because she needs to buy something. So I offered to drive and to go with her and stuff just because I can like basically get out of the house. I might get Starbucks. I really want Starbucks. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm gonna change right now and then probably talk to you guys again when we're at the grocery store. Probably, and I'm like so out of breath because I just ran up and down the stairs like 5 times. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna change right now and then I'll talk to you guys when I'm at the grocery store. Eggs, pasta, and some, I don't even know what that is, but we're keeping 6 feet away from people at home. So I got home a little bit ago, maybe like 30 minutes, and I literally have not done anything. I've just been on my phone. So yeah, nothing really interesting. My desk is so messy because I finished with my homework and then I just like literally left my environment, or like my desk, so that I was like so done with like schoolwork and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I don't know what I'm gonna do now because I don't know, I'm kind of bored. So it is a little bit later now. It is 10 o'clock, and as you saw in my last footage that I went on a run with my sister and then got home and then we made dinner. So my sister made a really good white Alfredo sauce pasta with like broccoli, chicken, And I think I'm not sure what else she added, but it was really, really good. And then for like kind of like a sweet tooth snack, I made sweet potato chips, but I didn't like bake them until they were really, really crispy. I kind of let them be a little soft some places, so they were kind of like chewier chip, which sounds strange, but it was really, really good. It's one of my favorite healthier option snacks. I put it on my Instagram story, so if you guys want to see the recipe, check out my Instagram. It's just Julie V. Lee, and it'll also be in the description down below. Check it out because it's really good and I really like it. So I'm just gonna end out this video now because I'm just gonna shower and then also probably stay up and edit this video because I really want to upload it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments or requests, leave them down below. And also, please comment video ideas, and then also follow my socials, like my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Instagram. They will always be in the description down below. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video, hopefully soon.